The NESCO NPC9 is a 9.5 quart smart electric pressure cooker and canner made from stainless steel. This kitchen appliance combines the functionality of a pressure cooker and a canner, making it a versatile tool for various cooking tasks. Here are some key features and information about the NESCO NPC9. 1. Capacity. The NESCO NPC9 has a generous 9.5 quart capacity, making it suitable for cooking large meals or preserving larger batches of food through canning. 2. Material. It is constructed from stainless steel, which is durable, easy to clean, and resistant to rust and staining. 3. Smart technology. The smart designation suggests that it may have advanced features like programmable cooking settings, safety features, and possibly even connectivity to a mobile app for remote control and monitoring. Specific features may vary depending on the model and manufacturer updates. 4. Pressure cooking. This appliance can be used as a pressure cooker, allowing you to cook meals faster than traditional stovetop methods. Pressure cooking is great for tenderizing meats, cooking rice, making soups, and more. 5. Canning. The canning function is a unique feature that allows you to safely preserve fruits, vegetables, and other foods in glass jars. This is particularly useful for home canning enthusiasts who want to extend the shelf life of their produce. 6. Safety. Electric pressure cookers typically come with various safety mechanisms, such as pressure release valves and locking lids, to ensure safe operation. 7. Control panel. It likely has a digital control panel with preset cooking programs and manual settings for adjusting time, temperature, and pressure. 8. Accessories. The NESCO NPC9 may come with a variety of accessories, such as a canning rack, steam rack, and condensation collector. 9. Size. As a 9.5 quart model, it is relatively large, so you'll need sufficient counter or storage space. 10. Brand. NESCO is a reputable kitchen appliances and food preservation products.